Hello everyone, I am Fuad Guidi, the CEO of downlinexfunnel.com. First of all, I want to thank you for joining my team and the team of the person who referred you to this system. In this video tutorial, I am going to walk you through the installation process of downlinexfunnel system on your hosting server. This will take only a few minutes, so let's get started. First of all, you should have received two folders, one called files to upload and instruction tutorials. We should upload those two files to our domain directory. So first of all, log into your cPanel and go to File Manager. Then search for the domain you will be installing the system on it. In my case, I will install the system on this domain, downlinexfunnel.online, that I have purchased. For this purpose, open the domain directory and click Upload. The uploader screen will open. Then just drag and drop the files in the uploader box. I will upload import body.php first. Wait until the file has been uploaded completely. And then do the same for the backup downlinexfunnel.zip. Just drag and drop here. This file is little big and it will take more few minutes depending on your internet speed. This is why I will pause the video until the file is fully uploaded and back again. Here we are. Now we have the import body.php uploaded and the backup downline funnel zip file uploaded. So if we reload here, you can see the two files in our domain directory. Now what we have to do is navigate to the import body.php, and the installer will walk you through the installation process. So I will visit downlinexfunnel.online / copy import body.php and paste it here. Then hit enter. So the installer asks for the password, the import body password. If you see in this folder file to upload, you can find text file which contains the password. Open this text file, and here is the password. Copy and paste here, then click authenticate. Don't save. So we are on the step 1. Select the backup to restore. It's already selected, backup downlinexfunnel, which is this file, the zip file. So what would you like to restore from the backup, files or database? We make sure we check these two boxes. We want to restore the files and the database as well. So we check those two. They come checked by default, and click restore backup. The plugin do the step 2 automatically. Now in this step 3 we need to enter database setting here. So we go to cPanel and create new database that will contain our new installation, WordPress. So we can use MySQL database and create database and user, then connect the database to the user, or we can use the database wizard. This is more this is the fastest way to create the database. We will give it a name like downline builder 1, for example. Click next, and here is the database name. You copy this into this field and paste. Then we create a user for database. I will give it the same name, and for the password I will just use password generators. We copy this password, I have copied and use this password, and we paste it in this field. Then create user. The step 3 is to give the privilege to the user for the database we just created. So check all privilege and click next. Now the user widget db1 is created and have the right to use the database widget db1. So we paste here the user name, and for database server, in most cases this is the default value, which is local host. But for some hosting companies, they use custom database server URL. so you need to make sure your hosting is using localhost, or in other ways you need to contact your host and tell them what database server URL you should use. For the database prefix, we can just make any prefix. I will choose db underscore. The fastest way is to choose the same database prefix for the old installation. Now we have all the details of our database entered. Now we can see here the delete existing database tables, matching prefix, or delete all. Make sure you leave those boxes unchecked. We don't want to delete any table on the database. Then we click next step. Now the installer will restore the system on our server automatically. Wait until the process finished. We can see here all the tables on our database one by one. Here we are. Now system is restored. Now we want to change the main URL to our new URL, which is downlinexfunnel.online. The old URL it was downlinexfunnel.com. We can check this if you want to use custom URL to display, but we will not do that. We click on next step. Step 6, verify site and finish. Now we have the site is restored. We need to clean up our domain directory sorry, to clean up our domain directory. So we click on finish cleanup. Now we have the site fully restored. So we click on the URL downlinexfunnel.online, and here we are on the landing page. We can log in to our admin dashboard. The default admin username is admin and default password is paste. When we are logging, we can change this admin password and make sure we put a more secure password to our admin dashboard, and we click login. And here we are. As you can see, we have 18 pages, 26 autoresponders. In the next video I will show you how we can rebrand the system to our new installation, new domain, and input your own affiliate details, so the visitor will see your brand and not the old brand of downlinexfunnel.com. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.